What's up, guys? It's September 6th, 2024. I had a pretty cool morning. It was a bear trend, and then we went range bound. We saw the full market cycle today. I like the market cycle. Bears are keeping the gap open. If we were on the 5 minute chart and we saw this, we would think it's always in short. So maybe we pull back, maybe we keep selling. But I think there's been a flip momentarily. Maybe bulls defend the 50% level and get a 2 bar reversal. Yeah, we don't know what's gonna happen. What we do know is there's a bear gap here, and if bears definitely want to keep this next gap open, and bulls want to start to test the highs. So if the bulls can rally back up to this candle, there won't be a gap open. If bulls rally and fail, there'll be whatever size gap is open there, and that'd be good for the bears because they want to keep gaps open. We can see more gaps on the 45-minute chart. Oh, did I hit record? Yeah. Here. So yeah, there's a lot of gaps. We'll see what happens on the daily in the this coming week. Yesterday we rallied to the higher time frame EMA, sold off, went sideways. So from the market cycle, range, breakout, channel, range, full market cycle. Today we opened up within that range. Bar one is somewhere here. This is bar one. No, this is bar one. This bull bar. 2 seconds. So bar one is this bull bar. Bar two, again, test the EMA and immediately sells off. Bar two. Bar three looks like bears are taking profits and bulls are buying lows from the previous swing low. Yesterday's swing low, 75, 78. Bar four is a good bear bar. It shows that bulls tried to rally and they get trapped above the EMA. And there's a bear gap now. So after we see bar 5 and 6, we know bulls are trapped because they never got their break even. Bulls that bought here never got break even. And then we have a strong bear channel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 bar channel. That's really strong. That's just selling for about an hour. 18, small bull bar. 19, very deep pullback. Testing. Tried to test the low of 9, but they failed. So there's a gap there too. So the low of 9 to the high of 19. 15, 16 is the first opposite bar, so that's where the channel starts. And then 18 breaks the trend line. So you can see that as a leg 2. And then we sell off for another 3 legs lower. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. So we have the breakout, opposite bar, and we go range bound. The market goes range bound. That's the end of the market cycle when we wait for a new breakout and the market cycle resets. I'm going to start gearing these breakdowns towards talking about. I'm going to start gearing these like 10-minute breakdowns towards breakouts, market cycle, and leg count. Is this what I'm going to just keep focusing on? Breakouts, market cycle, leg count. So that'll be the pattern. I tried to do bar by bar analysis, but actuality right now I just need to focus on breakouts, leg count, and market cycle. So here's the breakout, 12 bar channel, opposite bar 16, and we start to get legs. Leg 1, or leg 1, pull back 2, pull back leg 3, and we go more sideways for the rest of the day. So that's the full market cycle. Market cycle starts with a breakout. First opposite bar starts the channel phase. Then we have 3 or 4 legs lower, and then we're going range bound. Then we wait for the breakout. I look at gaps a lot in the day, so I'm going to draw those out. I want to start looking at these from a very consistent angle, and I think that's going to be through. Excuse me, I coughed. Through breakouts and market cycle and leg counting, I think is how I'm going to be able to get very consistent in the upcoming year. Starting to wind down and get ready for next year. By wind down, I don't mean like study less. I actually mean like prepare more stats, kind of get where am I at my trading. I've been focused a lot on just trading breakouts the last couple of months, so there's no gap there. So when we're in a gap, when we're trending, gaps are staying open, and then we go range bound and gaps start closing. That shows overlap. See all the bear gaps. Bears can't get any more gaps, and all the bull gaps are closing. So there's a bull gap here that gets closed on 48, 49, 50. Market cycle happens across all time frames. We had relentless selling in the morning, opposite bar, and we go range bound. I don't understand. Today's, I guess, was a little bit shorter. It was just 5 minutes, so yeah, I didn't expect it to be 5 minutes, but we had an opening range here. I like to trade 2R of the breakout bars, so you can go somewhere here, somewhere here. The morning range is right here. 2R of that was met with bar 15. That was a pretty nice trade if you caught that. I didn't trade because I had work on Friday, so yeah, we've had some bear selling. Daily chart. We got an expansion bar here, and we went sideways. Now we have another big bar. So will we go sideways or we have another expansion bar? When it was bull trending, it went expansion, contraction, expansion, contraction, expansion. I got the hiccups all of a sudden. Every time I start these things, somehow, some way, I get hiccups or I have to cough or sneeze. I don't know. I don't know what that's about. So daily, it looks kind of good for the bears now. We've got a lower high double top, and we're below the EMA. We're collecting bear bars below the EMA now. We have a bear channel on the daily. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we could say they're due for a pullback, or you could say there's a lot of momentum and they want to see more legs lower. 45-minute chart looks kind of scary. Look at that. It's double top bear flag, 2-bar reversal right there, just above the 50% level from the swing highs. So we had a pretty interesting day. Markets are starting to flip, always in direction. That's important to note. Right now, daily charts always in short. That doesn't mean get short tomorrow, but that's like our time frame. EMA is the green thing, and we're trading under it. So bear regime. All right, guys, you have a good one. Kept it short today. Hit me up, drop some questions. I appreciate the support. If you guys found this valuable, share the show. I think that'd be cool. All right, you guys have a good one. Bye.